Okay. Cool. Okay.
Good.
Oh, table, X, Y, and Z. So you just do standard preventative maintenance on these?
Yeah.
Looks like they got the augers, both of them.
Yep.
What do you run on these? Just mild steel, plastic, aluminum, alloy?
Yeah, majority is aluminum.
Majority is aluminum?
Yeah, and then some steel. Very minor though.
Okay.
Auger works. Want to see that?
Sure, might as well. Cool. Looks like you have a scrap chute
Right.
right here.